This is Sauna Bath. There's a power button on. This is showing inside temperature. Inside temperature, it is now showing 28 degree. This is temperature setting. Now it is set on 60 degree. So it just up and down keys to set, and again afterwards it goes to normal temperature. This is the timing setting. You can set it for 8 hours maximum or 30 minutes minimum. By just hold it and press it. $30. So just leave it. Automatically it will get set, and it will show the ambient temperature inside the sauna room. Now the sauna heating system is started now. So now I will take you inside. This is the sauna door. This is door handle, and there is a ventilation, and there is a ventilation for the heater. The fresh air goes to the heater from here, below the heater. Now this is the sauna room. This is the sauna lights. This is the sauna bench. Here is a tongue and groove wall cladding. Sauna wooden spruce, clean and dried with a moisture content of 14%. This is sauna lights. This is the upper bench. This is a sauna wooden pillow. These two pillows are there. This is a hygrometer. It shows hygrometer and the humidity inside the sauna room. Means hygrometer shows the ambient temperature inside and the humidity. This is sauna sand timer. You can select the timing what you need by pressing up and down. So this sand will come down and will show 5, 10 and 15 minutes. So you can set, you can use accordingly your timing setting. This is the sauna wooden bucket. You can put water or any eucalyptus oil. And this is the sauna heater with wooden guard, and there's a sauna lava stones on top of it where you put the water on the stones. Ceiling, entire sauna room is covered with a wooden structure. Sauna doors is designed as per the door standard, safety standard. So there is no lock inside, and with a 500 grams of pressure, the doors open.